Welcome to AI Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about data types in Python. What are the data types? What are the different data types are available? Different data types are available in Python. First of all, what is data? And what is a data type? Data type. First of all, what is data? Data means only values. Only values is called as a data. What are the different data types are available? Only data. For example, assume it. For example, it is a student data. For example, it is a student data. This student data have the hall ticket number, name of the student, and the father name, and the mother name. Some, for example, this is a address, and some value. So, for example, the hall ticket number. Assume that the hall ticket number equal to like the 1901009 is a hall ticket number. The name is for example the Ram is the name. Okay. The name of the father name is for example XX, and the mother name is YY. The mother name is ZZ YY. For example, the address is address. The house number some for example 11 dash or 12 dash again the 34/9 is a house number. So again we are using assume that street number, for example Amirpet in Hyderabad. So this is the address of the student. And I assume that another one is the age of the student. For example, the age of the student equal to, for example, 18, 19 years. And he secured a subject 1 mark. Subject 1 mark is 99. And the subject 2 marks is, for example, 88. This is the example of the 88 mark. And the M3, so student marks is, for example, 77. Here, the average marks equal to assuming the 88.0. This is the data type of the student. Or, for example, here, for example, it is a bank exam. We go to the, for example, bank customer details of the bank. Customer details is account number, and the name of the customer, and balance. For example, these are the three only fields, and balance and cell number. So, for example, they assume that the name of the account number equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the customer name is, for example, Venkat. The customer name is Venkat, and the balance is, for example, the balance amount is 78,000.70 paisa or 50 paisa, and the cell number is so 98. So values. This is a cell number. This is a cell number. This is a cell number value. Any value, some number. So here, what are the different data types? This is a data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is data. Venkat is a data. 7830.50 is a data. And 9854547457 is a data. What type of data? 1, 2, 3, 4 is what type? Venkat is what type? Is the numbers with the digits what type? Okay, number with the decimal point. This is a decimal point is what data type? And only for digits is what data type. In Python supports different data types. Python supports different data types. These are one is integer data type. Number 2 is float data type. Third one is string data type. Fourth one is complex data type. Python supports the complex data type. Complex is a mathematical word. Is a complex data type. Fifth one is a Boolean data type. And sixth one, list data type. List structure, data structure. And seventh one is tuple data type. Eighth one, set data type. Set. And the ninth one is a dictionary data type. 10th one is bytes type. 11th one is byte array type. And here, the 12th one is Trojan set type. And the 13th one is none data type. Python support. These are the different data types. One for integer data type and float data type, string data type, complex data type, Boolean data type, list type, tuple type, set type, dictionary type, bytes, byte array, Trojan set. In this session, so these are the different data types. Okay, what are the different data types? So these five data types are basic data types. Basic data types. These five data types are called basic data types. Basic data types. Okay. These are called derived data types. These are called derived data types. Derived data types. Okay. It is a empty data type. Empty. Empty means nothing. Without any value, the empty data. These are the different data. First five in this session, I will explain first five data types. First five are the basic data types. These are available in any programming language, but the different formats. So first of all, what is integer type? First one is what is integer data type. The integer data type means it represents only digits without any decimal point, without any special symbol, without any values. It represents only symbols. For example, one, for example, a value equal to 10. Now here we are using the print of a, the value of a, and here the data type of a is integer type. It represents only digits without any decimal point. Here write the one symbol without any decimal, without any symbols, and without any special symbols, only decimals, only digits. So now here run the program, run this command in the bottom of the screen. For example, the values are for example, the data type is a equal to 10 value, and print the value of a, and the type of a is class integer type. In other programming languages, a is called as a variable, but in Python everything is object. In Python everything is object. A is a object of the integer class. Here very one important point, note this point. A is a object of the integer class. Here int is a data type, but this int represents a is a object of the integer class. This is for integer data. It represents only digits without any decimal point. It is an integer data type. And the second one is float data type. That means it represents digits with the decimal point. For example, digit decimal point, some b value equal to 75.90. And what is the value of print of a and the print of b? Print of type of b. Digits with the decimal point. So now run this one. Digits with the decimal point. Here, please observe the bottom of the screen. Type the command b value equal to 75.90. Okay. Now the type of b. Print of a means the value of a 75.90, and the type of b. The type of b is float data type. Now the b is a object of the float data type. B is a float class. That means B is a object. B is not a variable in Python. Please observe this very important point. B is a object of the float class. Okay, clear up here. For example, one more example. For example 2. Second example. C equal to 67. Some value, any value 1, 2, 3, 4.2456. And print of C. Print the value of the C. And print of and type of. Okay, clear up to here, all of you. Right. And the next one, what is string data type? The third one is string data type. The string data type, it represents, is very important. It represents, what is a string? First of all, a collection of in Python, a single character or group of characters is called a string. Is called a string. Is called a string. But other programming languages are two types. There are data types. One is string type, another one is character. But the Python supports only one type. A single character or group of characters is called as a string. It represents alphabets, represents alphabets, digits, and special symbols. That's a very important point. It represents alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Okay, the strings are enclosed by. Very important point. The string value enclosed by single quotes, Python, or double quotes, or triple single quotes, or triple double quotes. It's a very important point. The strings are enclosed by the strings. One is string. A single character or group of characters is called a string. Strings are, it represents alphabets, digits, and special symbols. The strings are enclosed by a single character or a single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. For example, it is a string. For example, it is a string S1. S1 equal to a string. Python is a high-level language. It is a high-level programming language. Okay, clear? And the print of S1 and the print of type of S1. The type of the S1. Here, very important. These strings are enclosed by either single quotes or double quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes. One S1 equal to Python is a high level programming language. And what is the S1? Print the value of the S1. The value of the S1 is high-level language. The value of the S1 is Python is high-level programming language. And the type of S1 is, the data type of the S1. The data type of the S1 is string type. Okay, clear up here? And these are enclosed by the different ways. Another example, S2, simple value, S2. This is also enclosed by double quotes. We talk about possibility called a string. S2 here, S2 is a string. Here, S2 is a string value. These are enclosed by Python is a interpreter programming language. Interpreter based programming language. Okay, see the example. Okay. Here, run the module. Okay, for example, here interpreter based programming language, this is S2 and print of S2 and type of S2. No doubt it, the strings are enclosed by single quotes or double quotes. For example, one more example. These strings are enclosed by triple strings also possible. Triple single quotes are also possible. For example, S3, triple single quotes. That means the triple single quotes are written more than one line. Is it possible in more than one line? Not on double quote. Python is an interpreter based. Python is a scripting language. Python is a high-level language. Python is a high-level programming language. Enclosed by the triple single quotes. Either triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Anyone. Okay. So now here these are the. Now run the module. Run the S3. S3 is a string. It is enclosed. It is represented by triple single quotes. And the command and the type print the value of the S3. Value of the S3 is Python is an interpreter-based programming. The value of the S3 here new line and here the new line. And if you want to type of S3. The type of S3 is a string type. Same program we are running into the same S3. Okay, the same S3 running into the same S3. In example 4. Fourth one, S4. Example, S4. These are enclosed by the triple double quotes. Triple double quotes. It is possible. It is possible. Represented by the triple double quotes also. It is called as a string. For example, it is a S4. The print of S4. The data type of the S4. Type of S4. Type of S4 is the type of S4 is string type. The type of S4 is string type. For example, it is a S4. So here we can have the data type X4. X4. This string is enclosed by the triple double quotes. Only S4, the value of the S4, and the type of S4. It is called as a string data type. That means a collection of alphabets, and digits and special symbol is represented by a string type. For example, some x equal to Python 3.8.2. 3.8.2. Here, type of X. Here, X represents a collection of alphabets. A collection of alphabets. This X. Here, this is the alphabets. And these are called digits. And this is a special symbol. A collection of alphabets, special symbols, and digits is called as a string type. Okay, up to here, clear all of you. And up to here, these are the basic data types in Python. Integer data type, float data type, string data. These are completed. And the fourth one is complex data type. Complex data type. And the fourth one is complex data type. What is complex? A complex is not a computer science concept. Complex data type. Complex numbers in mathematical concept. What is complex? It represents the complex numbers. What is a complex number? The format of the complex number is a plus bj. Complex number format is a plus bj. Here the mathematical concept completely. The format of complex number is a plus bj. What is a? Here what is a? A is called a real part. B is called a imaginary part. For example, one, we are using very complex value. For example, the A equal to 3 plus 9j. Print of A and the print of type of A. The type of A is complex type. And for example, second example, P value equal to 8 plus 5j. Print of A, print of B, and the print of type of B. Here the B data type is complex data type. Run the program. A equal to 3 plus 9j. Run the command. A equal to 3 plus 9j. The value of A is complex type. 3 plus 9j. Type of A is complex. Here B here A is a complex data type. A is a object of the complex data type. A is a object of the complex data type. And run one more example. B equal to 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. And the B value. Print the B value. And the type of B. Type of B is complex type. Example, if you want to perform the addition of the two numbers, C equal to A plus B. You can perform the addition of two complex numbers. One complex number is 3 plus 9j. Another complex number is 8 plus 5j. The output is 11 plus 14j. And automatically, this is the C value, this is A value, and B value. Automatically, the C is also a complex type. Go to the C value, print the C value, 11 plus 14. And the type of C is also a complex type. Here C is the object of the complex. Very good. Up here, clear all of you. Right. And go to the next topic. Next one is Boolean data type. What is Boolean data type? Boolean data type. Fifth one is Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Clear up to all of you. Boolean data type. It represents only two values. Only two values. One value is true. Another one is false. When false only. True represents by two represented by one. False represented by 0. True is represented by 1 and the false is represented by 0. For example, example 1, a equal to true. Example, print of a. What is the value of a? Type of a. Data type of a is Boolean type. And for example 2, b equal to false. Okay, print of b and print of type of b. And here the type of b is some value. For example, a equal to true. Run the program. Equal to true. Print of a. The value of a is true type. Here the value of a is true. Okay, clear? Right? And go to the next one. For example, b equal to false. And b value. The value of b is false. And the type of b equal to perform the operation. C equal to a plus b. Here, what is the value of a? A equal to true. What is the value of b? B equal to false. That means true represents 1 and the false represents 0. Perform the addition operation. C equal to, it returns either true or false or 1. It represents that perform the addition operation. 1 value plus 0, that is equal to the value equal to 1. Return the value equal to 1 value only. Return the value equal to 1 value. C equal to a plus b. Print of C. The value is 1. What is the data type of the C? Data type of the C is integer type. For example, m equal to true plus false plus true plus false. That means indirectly, what is the value of the m? Here, what is the value of the m? What is true? 1 plus false 0 plus 1 plus false 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. Now the output equal to 3. And print the value of the m. Print the value of the m equal to 3. And the type of m. Type of m is equal to integer type. Type of m is integer data type, because the m is a 3 value. The 3 value means it represents only for the integer, only digits. The digits are represented by integer type. Okay, now okay, go to back. Okay, now is a student example. Here all ticket number. All ticket number, what data type? All ticket number, it supports only digits. The all ticket number is a integer type. It represents a string character value. So now it is a string type. It is also a string type. So now this is also a string data type because it supports the alphabets, digits, and special symbols. Okay, now go to the next one. Okay, here what is that? 19 is here. The 19 is integer. Is also integer. These all are integer data type. It represents digits with a decimal point. Now it is called as a float type. Digits with a decimal point is called a float type. Digits with represents is called as a float type. Now go to the normal section, and again the customer details. For example, go to the bank. The bank customer details are what is the data type? For example, so this is a integer type. Account number is a integer type. The name of the customer is a string type, and the balance of the account number is float type because the digits with the decimal point, and it is a cell number is a only for integer type. Okay, guys, clear all of you. Thanks for watching this video.